This is a teeth mouth guard from TeethNightGuard.com. I made this purchase because the dentist office, my local dentist office, wanted over $300 to purchase one. And I got this for probably about the third of the price. It is high quality and has held up well. That's been worn nightly. I would definitely recommend getting it. It's much better than those ones that you buy at your local store that are either pre-fitted that don't stay in very well, or the ones that you boil. That does not work very well either.